Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how we went from this to this. So this is a bring your own bundles custom wig. My client brought me 3 bundles and a 5x5 closure. I constructed it with her measurements and we went in and did this color. So just keep watching and following along. So my client did want a middle part, so I just went in and put that part there because I kind of had an idea of how exactly I wanted to do this look. I just kind of wanted to give her a pop of color while still keeping it pretty natural and neutral. Here I am, I'm just going in, putting the hair in 3 sections, so that way it'll be easier for me to work through and everything will be even across the whole wig. So these are my favorite products. This bleach right here by Wella, and then I'm going to go in with a 30 volume and a 40 volume developer. So I use 2 different developers because when I go in, the front is going to be faster than what the back is. So by the time I get to the back, I want it to process just as fast as the front did. So that way we have an even lift throughout, if that makes sense. I feel like I just jumbled that up. But here I'm going in and putting the weaves into each section, and then I'm teasing those sections up, adding the bleach, and I'm just going to do that throughout the whole wig.
I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees, they really had to talk beside. I'm in that 80 and one of the twist, different priority. I try to pay all your loans off and copy you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still move your way from history before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number 1, you're not acting like the main thing. I let you pay my number 2, you barely made the second change.
Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. Hey. Self-control has never been your thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a dot. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the dots. How the fuck you keep so many seats? How you going vegan but still vegan? How the fuck you see so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't come cheap. I see it back in church, remember we took it at first. Get it, got you a whip, when you got back on the shit. I had to tell Eric, go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. Ooh, shawty, you tried it. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? stories all over the place. Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problems. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good till you should've stayed silent. Nice guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja, deja.
Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32 bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone.
So after about 35-40 minutes, I came back and I took all the foils off, rinsed the hair out, shampooed the hair, and now we're going to go in with this Wella toner. I'm using the color Caramel to tone the highlights to get that brown shade that we've seen in the beginning. So I'm just going to mix this dye up. I actually lost the footage of me applying the toner to the hair, so you'll just see what it looks like after the toner is applied.
All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you.
And here I just wanted to add in, when I take the foils off, I kind of look at it you can't see my face, but I'm looking at it kind of crazy. This was my client's first time bringing me this company's hair. She normally orders off Amazon, but I don't think she's ordered from this company before. So we were kind of trying to test out the color, and this hair did not lift well at all. So I don't want to recommend it to you guys. The closure was nice. The bundles were okay, but the color, for as long as I left the bleach on there, the color was really bad and it was really brassy. So I decided to just go in with a safe color. That's why I chose brown to go ahead and tone everything out, and I think it still came out beautiful.
So how long can you go, baby? At last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I'm still checking with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body. My body, my mind, and my heart. My body, I know.
As always, you can check the description box for all the products we use, the link to our website, the link to how to get in contact with us, to book services like this, and all of that good stuff. Check the description box for all the info.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too.
And here is the final product of this unit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, links to everything will be down below, including the website. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. We'll see you guys Wednesday.
Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pim Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah, I know you.